Hello everyone. Today I have a thing I won from Monica. Oh yeah, and what I'm wearing is
Coca-Cola shirt.
IMK Colin S Gilded Flores. I will put the link in the description from IMK Nails. Anyways, I won this from Monica, and here is the channel. Trying to get to it. There it is. Please check her out. So she had a bigger channel, but someone hacked her account and she had to create a new account.
So sad.
It's upsetting. So yeah, she has to start all over again. So this is what I won from her.
Cool. Superfoods.
Why is it so close?
I don't know why.
Okay, so
it
it's
does
called
that.
Tola
Oh, it's one
Skincare.
plus. That's why. Get
And
one
this
one
lip
plus.
product, which I really wanted it, which is awesome. Thank you so much, because my lips are always dry no matter what. I don't know why, but I always have that problem. So yeah, that's what that is.
So beautiful.
And then eye gels
Hey, Mom, what do you have
and Sephora foot mask, lavender.
What did you video before? Oh, let me look at the recording. Oh, here, look at your lips dry right now?
Yeah, don't you see that pussiness all the time?
Yeah, I see lines in it.
Lines?
I like how the
Whoa,
golden
whoa,
one
whoa.
has lips on it. So
Okay, I
lipstick.
think I'm gonna have to cut this.
Don't
I'm
cut
having
it.
a hard time opening this.
No, don't cut it. No.
Yeah,
No.
so thank you so much. Please check out her channel. And thank you guys all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And stay safe. Do not get sick.
And do not get the coronavirus. That's all over it is.
Man, I'm having a hard time opening that stuff.
Oh. Ah. What did you drop on me?
Yeah.
The one that you and Sophia made.
Oh, come on, open.
Want me to open it?
Oh, that's what happens when you got long nails.
Yeah.
Woo, look at this.
Oh, I like this one. I like it.
Yep.
I like this one.
Oh, the lips. Oh,
Okay,
that's
this
cool.
one, yeah.
I seen her when she
Yeah.
unboxed in the video. Unbagged.
Unbox it, yeah.
Unbogged
the
or
bag.
unbagged.
How did she unbox it?
Okay,
with
thank you guys
no
so
one?
much. Thank you, Monica. I really appreciate it. Awesome giveaway. Thank you. God bless.